Exactly.
Share at any point, because these people, maybe not all of them, but most of them have gone up to be very, very big. And I'll explain. You know, Rema, the song, waiting, calm down, do billion streams, bro. Embryo, the pen, amazing things where you don't do. It's scatter everywhere, bust everywhere. They don't do great things, right? And for you, this is your first. It's not saying you produced in the chapter X album. Yes, great songs and all of that, right? But for you, this is your first record, your first song. You understand? Share at any point in your life during those times if you say you just look around, and vibes everywhere, gladiator body shock, everywhere those tear. You look this side, this one self they do. You look this side, this one self they do.
Yeah.
Do you understand? And it looks like, what did they do for here? For crying out loud, I'm signed to Mavin record.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people, some people will be like, they don't know that you are signed to Mavin record.
Yeah.
I'll be very honest with you. Do you understand me? So tell me about those periods in your life, because I want believe say you get those periods, except maybe you don't get time. You tell me say you don't get time.
Go on.
Yeah, so tell me, share those periods in your life, D, and how you take handle them.
I know the talk say, the day like mad. You go reason on now. You be human being. You go reason and say, I'm waiting really this up. I be desperate for me.
For real, you thought like that?
Yeah, you think about it, because waiting this guy they do well enough you do, because you go enter the studio, you go see the person session, not just normal jamming they do and everything, but the jam go pop. And I do the same thing, so I can't later understand say, everybody get your time, everybody get your race, you understand? So I just understand say my time go come. Until that time I go clap for everybody around me. And these guys, before I did with Embryo for studio like 2 days ago, we go do everything normal. You understand? Because if you reason that thing, you go mess with your own energy and your own flow and the thing where you they do. Everybody get their own parts, and everything where they go through now to put you on that path. So I just understand say my journey they different from their own. If you really think Embryo started as an artist, he tried to hustle as an artist. It didn't really turn out well. Later, years down the line, songwriting come pop for him. You understand? So where he be they go, not be where life won't carry and go.
So the day you were
work with, I've been giving space, experiment on my sound to try out new things, and also grow as a person. Yeah, I've learned a lot about the business in these few years. So I not just do try and error at this point anymore. Now I don't be very sure which thing I want to do, how I want to move, which thing I want to do. Do you get? I mean, if you say I know the Mavin, I for not know some of these things, or I for learn them too late, or I for not even know them at all. You understand? But being in a structured environment like that, I can understand. So, okay, now so they run this matter. Okay, now so they do this thing. So now that kind of thing. So yeah, I've really grown both as a person and as a musician, because the guys still where they meet for there. I mean, if you say you don't make the baddest track, then person in the next studio like this, you could all hear one other one. You could be like, oh boy, I dey play. I go just cancel the session straight. Starts.
For real?
I dey tell you. I don't do that situation so many times. I feel they work on something now. I think this thing makes sense. This thing, I'll just enter the next studio next. I'll just hear waiting person. They'll be like, human being they think like this. I'll just go back my house. Say, I beg. I dey play for you. I'll just start a new session. Start working on something new.
But
again.
is that the right attitude? Because sometimes you see this thing called preference. They different.
Yes.
Yeah. See, you feel they say this person sounding bad, this and that, and you they look like I'm not really put. But you see, sometimes less is more.
So man even give you a different perspective. People don't enter my session before. They will come out to go to change their own self.
So just life.
Yeah, it's life. So it not be everything that happen. Not be every time it happen like that. But there are times where you get inspired by the other people that are walking around you.
I like that.
Yes, yeah. It's not necessarily from a place of competition. It's more for a place of inspiration. So you think, this thing, and the person will tell you, this sound is not really all that. Think of it in this other way. You understand? So that's how it is.
Okay.
So I mean, getting to get in the studio with our label people, that's Rema, Ira. I mean, they also share you life experiences and work experience, and they're like, for this other side, I must say as they run am, say as people they reason, see why they do this kind of track, you understand? So all those things contribute to you as a person.
Okay.
And your musicality as well.
Very, very important. So now the next thing I want to talk about, we see they signed you 2023 alongside the likes of Andrew Vibes, that's not the person who produced Calm Down and some other hits like that, Rush, and think of it. And they signed you alongside Embryo, the one where they call the Pen. Yeah, you don't write lots of hits from Ngozi to think of all the top songs that you can think of currently in Nigeria. The Pen did there, even to T.Y. Savage, you don't write for him and all of that, right? Then and also what's his name again? This other guy,
Prestige,
Mila rather, and then Prestige, and all these amazing people. They sign you that time with them as well. And I'll be very, very honest with you. Like I said, enough if you come to real life, okay, we can play, we can gist, but when it comes to the work, now my daily 2K, it is just like your own
normally.
Share at any point, because these people, maybe not all of them, but most of them have gone up to be very, very big. And I'll explain. Rema, the song Waiting Calm Down do billions streams, bro. Embryo, the Pen, amazing things where you don't do. It's scatter everywhere, bust everywhere. They don't do great things, right? And for you, this is your first. It's not as if you produced in the Chapter X album. Yes, great songs and all of that, right? But for you, this is your first record, your first song. You understand? Share at any point in your life during those times, if you say you just look around. Andrew Vibes everywhere, gladiator body shock, everywhere those tear. You look this side, this one self they do. You look this side, this one self they do.
Yeah.
Do you understand? And it looks like, what did I do for here? For crying out loud, I'm signed to Mavin record.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people, some people be like, they don't know that you are signed to Mavin record. I'll be very honest with you. Do you understand me? So tell me about those periods in your life, because I want believe say you get those periods, except maybe you don't get time. You tell me say you don't get time. So
go on.
Yeah, so tell me, share those periods in your life, D, and how you take handle them.
I know we'll talk say the day like mad.
Like you see when you talk, you go crazy. Not be lie. If you want try to use your own, they compare another person, you'll feel crazy. Not be lie. So we'll go back to the music. I'll leave you in the hands of Faith. Before that, the beats mix, then Faith, Lose My Mind. Before we come back, can't talk about this Waka Waka, because this story we just share, Gimme Now. It just remind me of your song and the lyrics.
Yeah.
Woo! We're gonna talk about that. They come back. Yes, that song we just heard, the song of Young John featuring Asha Khan. They call that one Church. Right about now, 31 minutes past the hour of 10. This is Young Entertainment with me, Fifi Talks on top your station, which is 89.9 Younger FM. And I still get Jackson in the house.
Of your own life. So you say don't go through one or two. So anytime when they hear the jam, say you really love the jam.
Crayon.
Yes. So.
See, you guys should pay me my check, because you know the body of work you drop.
Yeah.
Trenches. What's it called? God, what's the name of this title of this Triumph?
Trenches to Triumph.
Trenches to Triumph. Yeah, and all of that. So and Crayon for good for this song.
Like mad.
But maybe he was going through some things. Maybe.
No, they look other things.
Oh, okay.
So say not be really waiting he want to for now and everything.
Okay.
And so we can't keep the song go. And so didn't I say songs like that my hard drive don't full. Jams day. You understand? So this is not just one of those special ones where everybody feel connect to.
I connected to it. I'll be very honest with you. When I did hear the dance to the song, I did get goosebumps. I'm not joking. Like for real.
God damn. Because
are you crying?
Not yet.
Are you for like you're like I can see like teary?
Yeah, in a way because the jam way it be like morning devotion for me. Like if you hear the lyrics, it be like morning. That's something where you feel play for money. As you just wake up for money, you just put down.
Yes.
You understand? You go they manifest. They go for money. Say documentary of my life. And especially that last line. Say I'm blessed if you really think I'm.
Yeah.
It's such
in all of the madness.
In the end,
I'm blessed if you really think I'm.
Phil Jackson have fun. I say bye bye. But inside me like this, more. You
don't come up close. You don't run around.
But I just say chill and everything. So I don't be very expressive person externally. But when you tell me say I'm mad for head, but outside I just say chill. I say baba, thank you.
Did you cry?
No, I know.
Home, like did you go home to cry? Like
no,
in the night.
No, it was I'm going to do it, but he didn't say when. So it took a while. I don't even like. Then one day, my air arrow just called me. Say, how far? Just don't drop ammo, don't drop vaso. And but that day I just come back from gym. I just day house, just to try to do one or two things. Sometimes say, it don't happen. No, this one. I can't say, I'm mad. I didn't even know how to feel. You understand? I don't even know whether to shout or whether to cry. I just did. Like I was almost numb. So
would you say that there was a time, in your own opinion, where you feel like say you give up on this music, on this thing, because one, okay, you got signed to like the biggest record label, and it looks like things weren't going well like you imagined. You feel like, they don't sign to Mavin, we don't blow that kind of thing. That was your thought, Abby?
Yeah, normally now.
So say you get any point to be say you can't say not be how I think, and I saw this thing they go like I don't give up. I say this is no go ever,
So according by Jay-Z, he said the only genius thing we did was not give up. So things like that keep me grounded, because at this point now it's too late to turn back. For me, that's what it is. Because my family members, they ready say, go do another work. Go do. I don't tell them no. Now this music I want to do. I mean, even before my dad passed, he was like, are you sure? I said, nah, Baba, nah, yeah, I did. So it's too late to give up now. So even when those thoughts they come, say, how far? You just say, I'll be like, we die here. Because hard work will beat talent when talent doesn't work. But when talent works well, everything they align well for them. So you get. So I just understand, say, at this point, is either it works or it works.
And a very, very strong conviction. Now, very, very strong. See, I really want us to play this song again. When I come back, we talk 1 or 2 before we come off for studio. This is still 89.9 Young Guy FM station with Sabi for 3 minutes past the hour of 10. My name is Steve Fefe Talks, and take this one, Waka Waka, Mavin's Don Jazzy, Jackson, and Dino. Past the hour of 10. I here with a round off. But before we go, Jackson, what should we be expecting from you?
Playing Coachella and Tomorrowland as the big EDM festivals.
I did
as well. So the whole electronic music thing, I'm going hard on it. So I'm like on this song now, you notice I fused Ogene with some electronic elements.
Yeah.
Expect more of that.
Okay.
So even the label, they've told me, say, Baba, calm down for this experimentation. Try to reduce them. So yeah, they know I experiment a lot with different sounds, and it's what I like. It's what keeps me going.
If I don't give up.
Walai. It's the fact that I'm able to wake up every morning and today I want to try jazz music or fuse jazz music and something, I'm just having fun. Really, I just want to keep the job fun for me.
I have a question.
Okay.
And I've noticed it. I don't notice I'm among will I use the word producers?
Okay.
Do producers have a thing for not getting married?
No, they do like that. No. Yeah, we actually, of most of the people for industry, apart from, let's say, the creative people for the entertainment space, I think producers now are some of the most settled people you find. Trust me, most producers want to know, both for Nigeria and abroad, they don't marry.
But they just probably didn't put it out.
Exactly.
That kind of thing.
Because most time we've been through, but we just want this studio, just want to do our thing, quiet life, no
drama, no.
So many producers who I know don't marry, or they will go soon marry.
Okay, maybe soon.
No, like I don't know them. We want babe. Like
okay,
now this girl will obviously still marry last. No, we not do like that. We not they do.
We not do like that.
We not they.
You guys are not beating the allegation.
No, we beat them like mad. Now artists, say artists own they different.
No, those ones are see. You see when they talk about artists, there be one.
No, you no go still blame them. Say something that you go one day your own. No, they go carry and come give you.
I beg you.
No, but we producer.
They force on down your throat.
How many times you want to know now? How many no you want to say? You go tell this one no.
Of course,
no. Self-respect. Matt no go pay you.
You think that Matt no go pay? So are you in a relationship?
No.
Why? That's you guys are not beating the allegation.
No. My own case, you not for use me judge everybody.
I know you judge everybody.
So I say I know the relationship now. Also because I want this thing. I want face and fair and square.
Fair and square.
Yeah. This one now my marriage. This one now me don't marry like this.
Okay. So
but when the time comes, normally
we go chop rice. Everybody.
No,
pay attention.
My bolo soup and pounded yam straight up.
Oh, Bengal starch.
No, not starch.
Oh, soup.
No, I don't like starch like that.
You don't like starch?
I not so like starch like that. No, I try pounded yam.
Oh, actually, pounded yam and egusi good or white soup.
Ufen salabi. Mad.
Oh, yeah.
I try to go sell for my wedding.
Which
one you say is serve rice?
But that's a generic.
Your agbada must stay.
Okay, it was really nice having you here and to follow you here on top there. So if you never know, the song they out on all streaming platforms. I would just talk about Apple Music,
Spotify, Boomplay, Audiomack,
YouTube Music, so everywhere.
Small video, so if we just run.
It's a small video. They give us content back to back. But yeah, go check out the song. It's called Waka Waka. We have the likes of Jackson himself, and the spelling of his Jackson actually J V X as in xylophone, then N as in nest or no, that kind of thing. Yeah, so JV X and N, that's Jackson. And we have Dino is spelled DEENO, and we have Don Jazzy himself on this particular jam called Waka Waka. And please do videos. I won't beg una now. You know me now, I they always talk on RCP. Do videos, make sure that you amplify it and tag him. He will repost. Get pride. What's your social media handle?
JVXN Gram.
JVXN Gram.
GRA.
So just go check him out. Trust me, if you are looking for good music, he has it. Not the regular thing that you listen to. You understand me? tag him, he'll repost. And he's even a fine boy too. He's my brother.
Why you cast me like this now?
You know, so that girls, you see, you don't know this entertainment business.
They want they rush me now.
You know what made they rush you?
No, I don't make they rush me.
You know what made they rush you?
They do my music, they go.
You need fans, so you need girls. You need people girls will go to.
You know the funny thing?
Yeah.
You can't be say when I check the Spotify back end, now guys, now they do the song pass.
Don't worry, girls are coming. My girls are. See, make them not for my hand.
Me, babes, I beg.
Please, you guys don't fall my hand. How they do like this? Do video. In fact, tag me, self. Maybe I can even get some people.
I define people who go dance at the logo to the jam.
Now, I would have said me, but I'm not sabi. But yeah, thank you so much. Do well to follow us on top of social media platforms. Now, Yanga 899 FM for Facebook X, formerly known as Twitter, and for Instagram, even TikTok. So we did here. Then for YouTube, now Yanga Nigeria. Follow me, myself, and I as well. Fefe Talks on top of all social media platforms. FAYTALKS. You get the vibe. Tomorrow I'm going to be here. You know the matter. I know they don't go anywhere. All this vibe, all this talk, all this info. You know, say a fool for container, it remain for backyard. And yes, and here I'm going to say bye bye tomorrow, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. And I really hope to see you there. Don't miss it for anything.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.